Yes, please talk about your attraction.
I went to the separate sea in Quay Beach, but at first I didn't know that the seas will
so this is from the
cover
tide.
the road.
From low tide.
I didn't know that because I'm afraid of sea. If I know that they will cover the road, I won't try to walk through it.
Right.
And it's very beautiful, and you feel like it suddenly have a road appears in the middle of the sea,
Yes,
and you
it's
walk
magical.
through that. Yes, it's magical.
Yes. And Jenny?
And here is 大果叶 columnar basalts, actually. So how they shape this is like billion or millions ago. They have the volcano under the oceans. And so when it comes out, the lava is really hot, right? And they touch for the ocean and feel like cold, so they shrink to the shape. And after that, they raise up to the ground, and you see this beautiful view.
It's amazing.
Kind of like the Giant's Causeway in Ireland.
You can say that.
Is that, I guess? Yeah, but that's really cool. We can see it here.
Yeah, right.
Nice.
But the coolest thing is, who dives here?
Scuba diving?
Scuba diving? Do you dive? No?
Not yet.
Okay, if you have the chance to go to Penghu for scuba diving, you go to a place called, the diving site is called the Blue Hole. You go inside, Landong, you go inside and you can see above and underwater the same piece of volcanic rock.
Whoa!
And it's underwater as well. Awesome. Yes, because it raised from the sea, right?
Wow.
So,
So from the sea floor all the way
up.
Wow, that's
and you can go up, you can come up and look at the stones and everything, and it will be really dark. Bring your torch and then go back down.
That sounds really
it's
cool.
so cool. And underwater, if you don't dive, go with a snorkel and a fin to
take a note.
薰衣草花园.
Lavender garden?
Lavender garden. This.
Oh, wow!
It's amazing.
Oh, it's a coral. It's a coral.
Coral garden.
That is
The
not
lavender,
Photoshop, right?
the lavender is the
garden is a
purple
forest,
coral.
I guess.
Yes.
Oh, I got a little bit of goosebumps looking at that. Beautiful.
Oh, some people call it lavender garden, some people call it lavender forest.
Lavender forest.
Yes, and it's only 5 meters below the water. Wow. But be careful not to kick the coral.
Right.
Yes, it's very, very
touch it or anything.
Yes.
Louis, what about you? What were some of the attractions that you liked the most when you were in Penghu?
My main attraction was food.
What food?
It was the most beautiful fireworks I ever seen. And I mean, I've seen the one for New Year in 101, you know, so impressive. But, you know, it's all coming out of 101 non-stop like this, all the same, like that, like a straight line.
Yes.
And you're like, okay, after 5 minutes you get it.
Yeah, I get it.
But this one is like, it's so beautiful because you're completely under it. And it goes all around you. It's like a almost 360 experience, maybe 180, I'll say.
But the sky.
And like, all over the sea and going from the bridge, going from the other side. Now they even have, we cannot see them there, but they also have some kind of like 3D projections, or like they call that the machines in the air, also making like drawings,
like
kind of drawings.
Like drones.
It's well planned.
Yeah. It's like so insane. It's so impressive and creative, and you're like this, like, oh. Like here, if you want to take pictures, record it a bit, like you have really a big like panoramic overview of the fireworks. It's amazing. It's really a lifetime experience to make. And if you want to go to Penghu, it's amazing if you can select, you know, months of May. I think it's
May,
even
right?
until beginning June, I think.
Okay.
Like, around May and June.
month.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
Kevin, did you have a favorite place?
Yes. So do you guys know that in Penghu we have the highest Mazu statue? Yeah, so as you guys can see.
The highest one in the world.
The highest in the entire world.
That is just beautiful.
Yeah, you can see it from so far away, from another island.
Exactly.
From the other side. It's insane.
So it's something that you will make your mouth open.
Wow.